Mobile Fund, and we will guide you through the registration. And sobrang nakakatuwa po na kahit pa paano, being able to be in the industry for, this is my 15th year actually, in 2095, and I think I've reached the point wherein I think it's about time for me to give back to the industry. And sana po, sa mga nanonood po sa atin ngayon sa live stream, kung mayroon man, or sa mga kapanood nito, sa mga kasamahan po natin sa industriya, at lalong-lalo po sa mga kasamahan natin, mga artista at bagong artista, sana po, samahan niyo kami dito sa Mobile Fund at itaguyod natin ang institution at sabay-sabay natin ito i-promote at ipaalam sa lahat na we're here for 51 years already, and we're here to serve all of our movie and TV workers in the industry. At tandaan niyo po, in everything that we do as part of the board, wala po kaming iniisip at wala po kaming top of mind, kundi ang kapakanan po ni lahat. Tandaan niyo po palagi yan. As long as we're here, we will do whatever it takes to deliver to your needs and to even take care of more than what we have now sa memberships po natin, at makakuha po tayo ng additional membership in the years to come para makiba po ang pamilya ng Mobile Fund. Muli po, and on behalf of the board of members, board of trustees is here, to everyone that's here, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa suporta niyo sa Mobile Fund. Happy 51st anniversary po. Thank you so much.